The answer is 0.32. And we're computing this using the conditional probability rule. So that means we need the probability of A intersect B divided by the probability of B. In this case, B is the case where X is not A. So that's 1 minus the probability where X is A, which is equal to 0.92, since the probability that X is A is 8%. The intersection probability is the probability that X is a vowel intersected with the probability that X is not A. So that's the probability for all the vowels other than A, which is adding 0.13 plus 0.07 plus 0.07 plus 0.03, and there we get 0.30. And when we do the division, we get 0.32. And this makes sense. Previously, we computed the probability that X is a vowel by itself was 0.38. If we know X is not A, we expect that probability to go down, which is why we get the lower value, 0.32 here.